Mabuhay! Good morning, DHT1B. So now, before we start our lesson, we will have a energizer. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. Thumbs up. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. Thumbs up. Elbows back. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. Thumbs up. Elbows back, feet apart. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. Thumbs up, elbows back, feet apart, knees together. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. Thumbs up, elbows back, feet apart, knees together, bottoms up. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. Thumbs up, elbows back, feet apart, knees together, bottoms up, tongue out. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. Thumbs up, elbows back, feet apart, knees together, bottoms up, tongue out, eyes shut. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. Thumbs up, elbows back, feet apart, knees together, bottoms up, tongue out, eyes shut, turn around. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta. A tootie ta, a tootie ta, a tootie ta ta.
I just woke up from the time of my life. It started with a major throwback. Then I got to meet the big shots. I found a sweet spot between cultures and hung out with the artsy crowd. I even picked up a few things along the way. After that, things kicked into overdrive. It started with a whirlwind through the streets, an unforgettable eats, a celebration of flavor in every bite, and an epic new party at every turn. The best thing about it here, the good times are never over.
National Capital Region, more popularly known as Metro Manila. It is the main financial, commercial, and educational centers of the Philippines. It is one of the smallest region of the country, but it is the most densely populated. It includes 16 cities and one municipality, namely Caloocan City, City of Manila, Las Piñas, Makati City, Malabon, Mandaluyong, Marikina, Muntinlupa, Parañaque, Pasay City, Pasig City, Pateros, Quezon City, San Juan City, Taguig City, and Valenzuela City. So now I will discuss the National Capital Region here in the Philippines. Here are the guide questions for my discussion. What are the major activities that can be done by tourists within the national region? Number 2, what
rare attractions, activities, and flora and fauna exist in the National Capital Region. Number 3, if you are to design a package for the region, what kind of tours will you have and what sites and attractions will you include? So now, if you want to answer the questions later on. When you see on the screen, the capital of the National Capital Region is the city of Manila. The land area or hectares in National Capital Region is 63,000. And what is the major industries? Business process, outsourcing, retail, gaming, hospitality and leisure, real estate, trade, and commerce. Number of cities. Ilan nga ba yung cities sa National Capital Region? We have 16 cities here. And number of towns and municipality has 1. When we see on the screen, National Capital Region, ito ay binubuo ng Caloocan, Las Piñas, Makati, Malabon, so on and so forth. The taglines of every city in National Capital Region, when we see on the screen, Las Piñas City has Salt Center of Metro Manila. In Makati City, we have a Manhattan of the Philippines. Mandaluyong, this is a shopping capital of the Philippines. Manila, the ever-distinguished local city. And Marikina, as known as the shoe capital of the Philippines. The Muntinlupa naman, it is the Emerald City. Navotas, fishing capital of Greater Manila. Parañaque City, it is the fashion capital of the Philippines. Pasay City, it is the travel capital. And Pateros, Balot, capital. Quezon City, City of Stars and New Horizons. San Juan City, it is the Tiange capital. Taguig City, the Provinciedad. Valenzuela, it is the vibrant city of discipline.
Ang inyong binibini
At Ginoo,
San Isidro 2023. Sama na sa aming kultura.
sama na sa saya, sama na sa progresibong Barangay San Isidro.
Mga plantitas at plantitas, sama na sa aming urban gardening. Nutrito at kalansugan, siya ang pinapakalaman. Kaya dito, alas, maaari oras at bulan. Dito sa ating ay pangitaan lang po ba yan? Hindi, dalawa. Gusto niya po kasi yung avocado. Ano na sa dito? Kasi ako.
Emis ka kanina. Lahat po meron. Ay,
Sa San Dionisio, worth it.
Sanctuary, rich, biodiversity, where you can see how long creation love Australia, wonderful vision. Kaya all of our tourists out here, travel sa Taoling Village Line,
Ang ganda mag-ganito sa Pilipinas. Kasi yung mismo na sila na mismo nag-ano eh. Na-encourage na. Oh sige, video mo kami, may problema. So unlike sa Dubai kasi ano, di ba? Game na game yung mga tao.
Ito?
Oo. Mas natutuwa pa sa pag binibidyohan yung product nila. Yung sa Malabon, nakatikim pa nga ako ng ano, yung Black Cochinta.
Hindi nga.
Pretty taste.
Hindi ka nga.
Oo. Ha? Binigay man eh, binigay. Okay na mami. Flavors of NCR. Dapat malapit school, malapit sa Tirol.
PLM pala pamantasan ng Luzon.
Kaya mo magkape? Sa Kapitolyo ni Mayor. New York May. Gusto mo? Tingnan natin?
Ayun natin.
Ito, tingnan natin.
Ha?
Oo.
Sabi ko lang ano, hindi pang dating ng part na.
Meron pa ako, 200.
Ha?
200 ako.
Pesos?
Oo.
O daddy ha, tinatago-tago mo na.
Mami, binigyan natin 100. Huwag kang problema dyan. Wala madami doon.
Dapat dito lang. triangular urban park, famous for its Christmas lights and sound show. This oasis used to be the location of the country's first commercial airport, which you outside of
Ano daan?
hundreds of trees and
Sinarado mo nila dyan.
it is home to the Mavic Memorial and Courtyard, designed by Leandro Locsin and partners in collaboration with
Na-close, oh.
Ayala and the Sabel family. It honors the contributions of Colonel
close,
Joseph
Bonnie.
Macmillan and Mrs. Mercedes
Close
Bell.
na.
There's so much more to explore in Paglucio.
Kaya ma'am,
And uncover
sinarado mo
treasures
daan. Hindi na ako balik.
waiting to be discovered.
Diyos. Buti alam mo pa masakayan dito. Alam mo pa. Malapit na ba na sa Intramuros, ano?
Yeah.